So here is a quick one. My key fob stopped working. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull out the back. So you push it forward and then pull the keys. And the key that came out of there was this key. I've never used a key there. Most people generally don't use their key. So first thing I do is, one, you're gonna need a battery. The battery that you're gonna need for a 2021 Toyota Venza is a 2450. I got the 2450 Duracell. Need to pry in against this. Find something to stick in there to pry that. Put this backwards, and then there it goes. There's your key. Separate it side by side. You have your CR 2450. All it is this component here and your plastic buttons. These kind of get dirty. If you want to, it's a good time to wash this little thing out. And here are your buttons. This one makes the connection through the top. Mine is filthy. I'm actually gonna wash it and dry it out real quick. This is a tiny membrane plastic. Basically what I'm doing is just washing it, all the dirt that's in there, and the pile up, it dries, and just let it dry and put it all back together. Alright, that's that. This is pretty clean now. I like the way it feels when it's really clean. So you put that in there, just like that. And you put this in here like so. A little bit on the battery and pry these little plastic pieces to the side and it pops right out. Since this is a newer battery, what I'm gonna do is put this all back together. You do want to press from the middle. The portion right there didn't clip in. Snap it back together. And that's it. Ties in just like that. And my key fob is ready to go. Hope this is helpful for anybody that's having problems with their 2021 Toyota Venza. It's not the actual battery that went out. Something else is going on with your fob and you might have to get it replaced. And I will try to get a quote to see how much the actual key fob is, but I'm pretty sure it's anywhere from $300 to $500. So $6 versus $300 to $500 is definitely a save, especially if it fixes your key fob and you're good to go.